Has the situation changed for them on leaving and re-entering the country?
Well, thanks for having me. The situation really has not changed for anyone. The cornerstone of the U.S. immigration law has always been the ability for Customs and Border Protection to question anybody regarding their entry to the United States. What we're seeing is the government turning up the dial, so to speak, on how they're doing this. And we're hearing a lot more reports about what's going on with green card holders.
Rosanna, I'll just start with, what is it that we know about how immigration landscape is really changing, right now, today?
So a lot of things are happening since Monday. This is my 28th year being an immigration lawyer, and we've seen a series of executive orders that are really attempting to change the U.S. immigration law. And whether you are Democrat, Republican, in the middle, executive orders really are dangerous, and this is really the role of Congress.
Keep reminding people that there's 3 levels of government, and this is not a dictatorship. The executive branch doesn't get to make all of the laws.
Lawful permanent residents of the US or visitors from abroad are aware of the ability of the authorities to, take their devices, their phones, whatever they may be carrying, and search those.
I do not think that is common knowledge. Now, in my industry, we've been telling our clients for decades that, hey, be careful, your phone, you do not have any right at the border. You don't have right to privacy, right against search or seizure. There's no warrant needed. The government can look at anything they want.
Based on your conversations with your sources over there, how likely is it that this thing could last? And if it drags on a long time, is there the potential that the impacts here could become more severe?
Well, from my understanding and research, it's quite the list of demands on behalf of the union. I think there's over 500. The major sticking points are the entitlement to work from home as well as increased wages. If this does go on, I'm concerned because here we are at the end of April, and we all know how busy traffic gets at the U.S.-Canadian borders in the summer.